our latest product. And guys, this product is screaming out of our inventory. Screaming. We have depleted, by the way, we depleted 30% of our inventory. Don't worry, we still have plenty, but 30% of our inventory went in the first 30 days. Boom. Luckily, we are vertically integrated and we do our own manufacturing right in our plant in Tempe, Arizona. So those of you making that Arizona reward trip, shoot for the stars, guys, and you'll get on this trip too if you haven't made it. Go for it. 15,000 GV in 2 months out of 6, and you got yourself all expense paid vacation with a private tour of our manufacturing facility. But anyway, 30% of our inventory went in the first 30 days because this is a product that works. Doesn't matter what's going on with your body. It takes a physical action on your body. It has a super fiber that becomes viscous, thick in your stomach. You take a couple capsules of reduce prior to your meals, drink a lot of water. That water is going to volumize and turn into a gel from the super fiber. It volumizes up to 200 times its own size. We take that super fiber, we can combine it with some of the hottest ingredients for appetite control and body fat elimination, raspberry ketones and Garcinia cambogia. It can't be hotter out there. We've added that to our super fiber as well, which is exclusive to us. So anyway, guys, this is a huge arsenal in your battle against fat and obesity. Here's what it basically will do. Promotes feeling of fullness, helps regulate digestion of fats and carbohydrates, helps stabilize blood sugar, and can help reduce LDL cholesterol. That's the bad one. HDL is good. It's going to leave that alone. Maybe you can increase it, but it'll help reduce that LDL and triglycerides. Phenomenal product. Garcinia and the raspberry ketones help to boost the body's enzymatic activity to get you to that metabolism that you used to have in high school when you can eat a full pizza and nothing happened the next week, right? Now we eat a full pizza and we're like, oh my gosh, I can't fit into my pants. We're going to get that metabolism back to where it was. Helps you burn body fat healthily as well. So it's going to help your body get that body fat gone. Non-stimulant formula, and it'll help get your metabolism back to where it was. All right, here we go. With the subject of the night, all proteins are not created equal. This is absolutely true. I'm going to review some of the competitive proteins generally on the market out there and tell you why, when it comes to this matchup, Nutra wins. We win against all those guys out there. That's right. Woohoo, Shar. I'm with you, honey. Listen, we have a protein out there, and I'm going to explain why tonight in detail, why ours is better. All right, so if you're not taking notes on this, this is being recorded, so you can watch this later on our website. But here we go. All right, which way should you go? I'm going to tell you which way you should go. Huh? Pretty clever pun, huh? I'm sure you've never seen that before. Protein powders come in various different forms. Okay, you got several different forms. The three most common, and this is according to national surveys and what's rung up at the register in a lot of box stores like Walmart and also GNC. Here's the three most popular categories. Whey concentrate, okay, and also whey isolate as well, but whey concentrate, number one. Soy isolate and powders. There's also soy concentrates out there as well. And casein protein, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you why our whey is absolutely superior to the other wheys out there. Whey is the most commonly used out of all of them because whey isolate is water soluble and it is a milk protein. Okay. Now, what it does though is there's two different forms of whey. You have isolate and you have concentrate. You also have different types of isolate with the different range of activity level of the protein. Whey is the most used out there because it's the most quickly absorbed by the body, especially when it's an isolate powder. So you're going to have a very fast absorption rate to the cellular level when you take a whey isolate. But in our case, I'm going to tell you why our whey is the best out there. We have a grass-fed whey. Now that means this is a bovine source. So whey is basically a byproduct, and that sounds bad, but there's a lot of good things that can come out of a byproduct. But it's a byproduct of making cheese. Whey is something that comes from the cheese-making process. What we do is we've taken this grass-fed whey, we make it an isolate, which means we take everything out of there except for the whey component, the whey protein, the active protein, including lactose. That's out as well, and we've given you this concentrate. Now it is lactose-free. It is immediately absorbable. Within the first hour, you can get 10 grams of whey isolate protein absorbed in your system, and then it'll sustain after that. Okay. It is also our whey is 96% active protein. 96%, it's almost 100%. Whereas whey concentrates on the market, if you look over here, whey concentrates can be as low as 29% active protein in that concentrate. Now, a lot of marketers out there try to trick you and say, oh, this is whey in here. It's not grass-fed whey isolate like ours. 29% active protein out there in that whey concentrate. Whey concentrate is cut with this stuff right here, casein protein. Okay, so that's the big deal. We're going to take this and put it in the concentrate. It will have some isolate in most cases, but the isolate is very expensive because it is the best out there. So you can get this 29% activity of the proteins because we're cutting it with the casein protein. Then the absorption rate changes as well. I'll get to that in just a minute. All right, we have two other proteins in our product, in our sculpting protein, and this is the dream team. We have PEA protein and BRP, brown rice protein. Now, this is a golden pea. I don't like to put that on the label because no one wants to drink golden pea, all right? But this is a golden pea protein, and golden pea protein is very rich in essential and non-essential amino acids. It's a complete protein. That means it has a full spectrum of all of the non-essential and essential amino acids. It has all the branch chain amino acids. It's very rich in lysine and arginine. Now, there's other benefits you're going to get from a lot of these amino acids. Arginine is phenomenal for your cardiovascular system, for your heart health. You're going to get many different benefits other than just muscle building and repair from taking this protein. It helps with cardiovascular. It helps with immunity. It helps with better sleep. Recovery time's much better. All right, so that's what you're going to get with the PEA protein. We also have our BRP here. Brown rice protein has many health benefits, but it can also help with regularity. It assists with weight loss, weight control, weight management. It's a great source of protein that has another different sustained time of the absorption. And I'm going to show you a graph here next of the absorption rate and how all three of our proteins work together. But prior to that, our PEA protein and BRP blend provides you with this excellent source of amino acids. Amino acids, guys, are the building blocks for muscle tissue growth and repair. This is a good thing. We need this for all of our connective tissues, for any tissue in our body, actually, needs this repair work done. So we're breaking down through stress of our muscles, through daily activity, as well as if we're doing our part and we're exercising, especially if we're exercising and doing some heavy lifting out there or even some moderate lifting, we want to make sure to replace the building blocks, our amino acids, to get an excellent source of amino acids with this product. Gluten-free, soy-free, and allergen-friendly. Can't get better than that. Also, these are both vegan and vegetarian sources. So great sources for those vegans out there and vegetarians. And it's excellent for muscle development and recovery. But you get a sustained protein release profile with this. It works perfectly with our whey isolate. Now I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Here is a graph depicting a 5-hour release of our proteins. 5-hour release. This is a huge absorption rate. Okay, now what you're going to see here, this blue line that you see in the graph, that is our whey isolate. Okay, so you're going to see an immediate 10 gram in that first hour release here. If you look up this chart right there, right? So that's our whey isolate line right here. It peaks out right about here, 10 grams in that first hour. Wonderful. Then it starts to, some of the proteins are still present in our body, but it starts to come down a little bit. But you still have a sustained release of these proteins. Then you come in with your PEA isolate protein right here, our golden pea, right? That golden pea. It's also wonderful. Okay, now that starts to climb as well. But you notice it's not climbing as fast. Now you get this combined right in this area right here. You're getting a lot of protein absorption going to your cellular level. Then after an hour, it starts to plateau out a little bit right here, right? And then it just levels off, give you even more. Look at another adjoining area right here. You're getting maximum absorption of proteins right there. Then you have your slower release brown rice protein, right? Right here, this line starts to gradually climb, right? And it's sustaining all the loss you're getting in here from these two proteins. Not much loss is occurring yet, right? So it starts to gradually climb, and it comes up here and peaks out. Look at this convergence happening with our protein profile at 3 hours. 3 hours. You're getting all this protein absorption still. Continue on, and you don't see much of a drop-off all the way to 5 hours. And look at, they only break apart here at hour 4 just a little bit, but you're still getting a lot of sustained release right there from that PEA. You're getting a sustained release right here from the brown rice. You're getting still great absorption from our whey isolate. And then by 5 hours right here before it starts to deplete down and get out of the system, you have a 5-hour release and then another convergence right here. Guys, This is maximum absorption of protein. That's why what we have in our bag is better than everybody else. I hope you all like my drawing right here. It's very tough to do with this mouse. I'm much better on a whiteboard or a chalkboard. So welcome to class, everybody. All right, Sculpt. In a nutshell, our product is a delicious, this is the tongue twister. Everybody say it 3 times fast. Delicious shake. Go ahead. It is. It's absolutely wonderful. Feed your body with, feed your body's most precious tissue. This is muscle tissue. The more muscle you have, the more energy you have. The more muscle you have, the stronger you feel. The more muscle you have, the more body fat your body will burn. And here's the best part: the more muscle you have, the more you can eat without paying the price. Get more calories in throughout the day. Our unique blend works together for those convergence you saw, right? You saw all those lines going all over the place, basically meaning maximum absorption, and you get that because of our protein profile, which is unique in the industry. I can't tell you how much of each protein is in our profile, so don't ask, because that is the secrets that we can obtain. So we can say this is like no other protein on the market, because we've done our homework, we've done our research, and we've put together the best protein out there. Soy-free, no soy in our product. Now, I'm not opposed to soy. As many of you know, I've put soy products on the market before. I'm not opposed to soy. I'll make that clear. However, a lot of people can't take it. There's some soy allergens out there. Some people think that estrogen levels are going to go up because of controversial data out there from certain studies. But we're soy-free, so you don't have to worry about that. I took the excuses out. No artificial sweeteners. I love this because we have a sweet shake here. It is delicious, and there's no artificial sweeteners. We use natural sweeteners in our product like stevia, Lohan Go, and we also have some natural fruit sugars in here, some crystalline sugars. All natural, that does not disrupt your system or throw anybody off at all. So what we have here is the Ultimate Protein, and it's accompanied by the Ultimate family of products. Every single household needs a Nutra. There's not one household in the U.S., in the world, that does not need our products, does not need our solutions. There's no perfect health out there. I'm not saying we're going to get to perfect health, but every single household needs dietary supplementation. Every single household needs more money. Well, maybe not everyone. I'm sure Bill Gates doesn't need more money, but most everybody out needs more money. Now, what's unique about us is we have products that will fit into every household, everybody's needs out there, no matter whether it's muscle building, weight gain, weight loss, feeling better, improving quality of life, whatever it is. We have products that not only benefit your body, but you can share these with others, benefit their bodies, benefit their health, and you can get paid doing so. I don't know of any GNC or any other health food store that you can walk into, go buy a product off the shelf, tell somebody about the great results you're getting from that product, and get paid for it, unless you own that health food store. Here, you can open up your own health food store, your own consulting firm, your own nutritional company, just by getting in. And it's good to be in. You know, we socialize every day. Every single day, we share. We share with people. Maybe not all good news every day, but we're sharing. We're already utilizing tools out there to tell people about something. Hey, did you hear about the earthquake in California the other day? Did you hear about this? It's conversation, it's sharing with people. We communicate. That's all you have to do in this company. That's it. Okay? And all you need are free tools out there to do that. You can get a phone. That's not free, but you get a phone, get a computer, and you can start to open your business. Once you have these devices in place, and most of us already do, there you go. Get online, get connected. These are all search engines. These are all communication tools, all social networking sites that help you communicate and share. That's as easy as it can get to open up a multi-million-dollar business. Now, so you know we are real. We are sending people to Arizona. That might not sound so sexy, but that's where our manufacturing facility is. 250,000 square foot manufacturing facility. I know that people are so excited to get out there to see Arizona, to see our plant. They are excited to get out there. I know, Leanne, you're ready to get out there and bask by the pool a little bit. I know Tito, we're sending him out from Puerto Rico, him and his fiance. They're coming out to see us from Puerto Rico because he earned it. Danielle Smith out in Chicago, honey, I can't wait to see you. Got a big hug for you, honey. I'm so happy that you are in this and changing lives. You know, we get to be rewarded for doing something good for other people. That's what our company is all about. Everybody, I want to thank you so much. I kept it right to a half hour tonight. I'm proud of myself for that. Usually I go about 50 minutes or so. But I hope you learned a lot about our products. Make sure to share this webinars with those who weren't able to join us tonight. Make sure they get online, get connected, and they get in. You know, Jerry Hill, you put a post out there on Instagram that I had to share with everybody, and that is, what if, and I love this what if. I like to get what ifs out of the way. But it said something like, what if you got into the company called Apple when you thought it was a fruit company? What if you got into Google when people said, what's a Google? What if you got in the next billion-dollar company in network marketing, in health and wellness? What if you got in a company that's going to change the world with sustainable results? What if you were one of those first people to get in? It is never too late. We're in 50 states. We're in Puerto Rico. We're in Canada. We're building a big group out in Alaska right now. I'm excited about that. But it is never too late to get in. There are millions, hundreds of millions of people that are requiring our products, hundreds of millions that are looking for our Nutra solution out there. By the way, we're opening up Europe too. Products are in registration right now, so look for that. Guys, we're going to be taking over the world. Get in if you're not in. I'm telling you, this will be the best move you made in your life. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Thank you for everything you're doing to change lives out there and make a difference. Talk to you all soon, and I'll see some of you in Arizona in a couple weeks, 10 days. Good night, everybody. Thank you.